Hey guys, welcome back to the Random Reviews channel. Today I wanted to review this garbage headlight cleaner or headlight renewal kit. It's made by Simoniz. It is sold in all the hardware stores. Uh, so it's from these guys, and it comes with this whole kit. So I followed. That's the polish. Uh, that's the polisher, and those are the sanding papers. So I followed all the directions. But look at this. It didn't even do anything. If anything, this actually made it worse. I don't know if you can see like you see how bad that is, uh, as compared to, like, this is how they look like. So this is how they look like, and then I'm like, oh, let me just, remove some of the small, like, imperfections and make it good. But look at that, and then look at this. Like, it's foggy now, and I can't even clean it. So this is definitely like a garbage kit that I wouldn't suggest anyone using.